Hey JobTread pros, we have a new update that we are just pushing for you today. You now have the ability to preview your document line items directly in your job budget and or in your catalog cost groups. So let's take a look at how we do this. When you're in a job budget, you'll notice that we now have an additional preview document icon up here on the top left. And so at any point you can click that and it will show the document templates that you can choose from. Automatically it'll show by default the top customer order that you have. So let's look at a proposal here and you'll see how your line items or your budget items are going to appear on any of these documents before actually creating the document. So in here we'll notice that we have our cost groups and then we have the cost items listed here with their total amounts. Let's go ahead and close this out and make some changes to our budget. So maybe I want to hide all the items within my pre-construction group, but then in demolition I want to leave those items, but maybe I just want to hide the sub-item amounts on those. Let's go ahead and save the changes and then we will click on Preview Document. And you'll notice now we see those changes reflected, so we can see exactly how this is going to show up on our proposal. Looks like we have a little bit more work to do, and maybe we can add in a more top-level group to make some additional changes. So this at least gives us a quick snapshot view of what those look like. Another thing to consider is that we can just select a very specific group or individual line items. For example, if we just wanted to invoice off of the pre-construction phase, I'm going to choose those line items by clicking the selecting boxes. And now we have the new option to preview the document with the selected items. So I'll click that. And then maybe I want to just look at the invoice. And here, I forgot to show those line items in my budget. So it's just showing the group level. So let's cancel that out. And let's make sure that we show those sub items on the documents. And then preview the document with selected, and you'll notice that now I have all those line items in there. So this can really help you make those catches and adjustments as you are building out your budget and adding groups and changing things around before actually creating the documents. Now, you also have the ability to do the same exact thing when you are in your catalog and in your cost groups. Let's go ahead and pop into a budget. And here is a cost group or a budget template that I have created, and I have this preview button right here, and it operates in the same exact way. So now we can make the visibility changes directly here at the cost group level, and that's going to save in my catalog for all my future jobs, and then we can always use the preview button to see exactly how they're going to appear on my documents. We hope this is helpful for you and saves you a couple steps.